So if you haven't noticed on what already happened today, let me lower down. We spotted an Evo!
Evo! Evo!
In the city. Just right now.
It's actually a Civic.
A Civic yan. Sorry, I'm not a Honda boy.
Forgiven.
Retarded. Nakasakay ka pala. Look at the fit, man. Ay, tayo mo yung remote. Naraw sa body.
We're going to Stan's Pilipinas for the 9-year meet. And it's our very first
Year-ender meet.
year-ender meet, yeah. Thanks for the correction.
Year 9 pa din, year 9.
Basta yun! But you may notice, there's a laurel there. Lawrence decided to... Me and Lawrence decided to bring the laurel there. Just for the shows. And brought the A86 as well. What I'm supposed to do is I'm gonna... Oh fuck! That's what I'm reminder. What I'm supposed to do is I'm gonna cinematography, but that happened. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog. No cinematographies for you.
Sad.
So we're parked in the middle of nowhere, and while we're stuck here, it is a great opportunity to set up Lost D4. Why? And why did I brought this one? Because he wanted to bring it for me. Ano to? Dahil gusto niya makita yung shell niya sa sa Stan's Pilipinas. Ayoko na i-English.
Yes, sir.
Toge!
Style.
In 200 meters, stay.
So we're in the middle of nowhere and we're already missing. We're lost. Try mo dyan. So,
Uptown BGC ba yung address?
yeah, Uptown BGC. Oh, there's a Porsche.
Wait, let's try to follow the Porsche.
Sure. Oh, GTR. Sige, tara. Baka yun nga.
Dyan nga!
Baka yan nga! Oo. So, we're officially lost. And we don't know where's the parking is and where the meet is. Maybe it's at the back. I don't know. Hopefully it's in the back. And look, there's a Ferrari licking it. Supercar galore. Napaka-bipolar naman ng panahon natin ngayon. Kung kailan nasa labas tayo, biglang umaraw, tapos biglang pagpasok, biglang dumamig. Tapos kung kailan nagdesisyon na tayo lumabas, biglang umaraw ulit.
Tara, let's take this most of our garbage.
Sure.
Ibusan na yan.
A few inches later.
As a normal routine of us idiots, we're gonna go find ourselves a comfort room because for sure later while on the show we're not gonna pee. So we're now entering the mall and we're still looking for the bathroom. And I think we're looking for it now. It's somewhere there. Nah. Fuck, I wanna pee. Finally, a comfort room for us.
Wala na
Natalo na!
sa harap. Magtatak na yan.
But we have a small group of people here. We're gonna roll the cars, and I'm gonna take care of Lawrence Laurel. So see ya. So Harold bought some tastefully bought stickers. What are those?
What are those all stock? Sayang walang chop springs.
He even has a lowly driver and a perfectly clean. And bilhin mo yung ano, yung one finger gap.
Hindi na. Too etchy.
So I don't know on what Harold gonna put that on the van. Chris, what the plan is, I'm gonna supposed to buy him a one finger gap. It's already a one finger, and it's dark 30. So I don't know on what sticker Harold will put.
Oh, it's too small now. This belongs to a Land Rover. Nagdidikit ako sa trunk, but this is getting replaced. Nonsense.
How to be Harold 101. Buk buk buk.
Sinira mo eh.
Ayaw mo no, nakatak.
Okay.
Yan.
Nice.
Yan.
Okay.
Matatak ulit yan mamaya. Yun o. That's deep.
Masakit sa break up.
Yay! Woo! Today's a good day.
We're lost again?
Yes, we're lost again.
No, just ay.
Actually, we're gonna go leave now and go home. And it's productive and
They didn't break necks with this van. That's alright.
nah, they didn't break their necks at this event, but
they did break their necks on the kids though.
Yes, that's the good thing. They did break their necks on their RC. Not even the start of the event, there are some people already breaking their necks. Are they even asking?
Huh?
Are they even asking?
Some.
Just some. But I don't know on what their experience because I went poof just a few hours, and yeah, but still it's still productive. If you can notice, the videos is pretty little short. That's because I was focused more on pic photos, and
One way to?
I don't know.
Wala namang nakasakay.
Yeah, I'm just focused more on pictures that attracts me more, and I maybe gonna upload it on our page on our page if I want to. I think I'm gonna post it.
Instagram coming soon.
Instagram coming soon. I finally decided that we're gonna make a Instagram account soon. If I made it already, the tag is right here or right here. Whee! Hope you like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on for more videos. And oh, by the way, Kotatsu Drift Cup
Next
is
week.
2 weeks left, which is December 16, and including is a Christmas party. So if you want to join, come and join us. What's your thinking?
Bring your own kit.
Bring your own kit. Yes, that's what I'm gonna want. Bring your own kit and enjoy. Floor!
Turbo.
Ooh!